0.658.
8.
Or 877.
658.
Yeah, 658.
Sila si
658.
F8.
F1 over F8.
Times F1.
That's your FY. F8 is
Formula na
equals
F8.
to
Pi square
100,000
over 345.
This one. 80.36 squared plus ilan?
Ay, uy!
300. 7. CR is equals to? Compute. Should be around 214.
215.
15.
11.
215.
Hello, sir.
Catch up, Ed.
Susunod na lang ulit.
Okay, stress pa meron. S pa man.
PN na.
This is N.
PN na, PN na.
So FCR, so we gonna have our PN. This is equals to 215. Sorry, balik niya siya sa balik siya sa
So, it times pang FCR sa AG. Sa AG pa sa...
yan. Ibalik niya din siya Newton meter. Para para exact value. Kaya exact value
199,852.7.
199.
8. No. 8 ako.
Divide 1,000.
Divide pa 1,000, sir.
198.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0.35.
Ito to, kinilang siya,
Times AG.
kinilang or
Dili, sir. Like,
ikuha sa to ninyo.
oh.
Katong exact din niya nga answer. You multiply the exact. So you have 199.8.37.
35 ako.
37. It's okay. I have you 1992. Mura gitirinso niyan. Okay, so we have our PR now, which is equals to PR 90. PM divide by
Layo pa ako,
1998.7 pila.
Sir, it times pa sa...
Okay, dapat din i-fix sa to.
PU.
You still have your PU here. So this is 0.9.
0.9.
Huh? 0.9 of 198.
179.
Doon na gani kari ko ko.
Hindi na nakikita mo. 0.9. 0.9. Greater than
2.14.
point
14.
1/4. 1/4.
49, sir.
49. So, anak.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is greater than 0.2. So use
50 naman na. Ay, 4.
ito lang.
So,
Use...
PR over 2 PC.
Use
Oh, ba? Oo, nag-game.
Pure naman ang last day.
P over
Ay,
ano sorry, PR. No, it's just
Over.
yeah,
over PC.
PR over BC plus 8 over 9
MCR.
MR MRX
Ay, MRX yan.
MCX plus MRY
MC.
and C1. Okay? So, kinsa man ito atong gamiton sa atong problem.
Wala din nang gagamit si QD. Wala na gamit si ano na.
Sa. Malawit na.
bell car. So I think we're looking or we're investigating the y-axis of the place. Just browse.
Gutom na.
Ay, mga herbs sa ano daw next time.
Shade. Eh, oh. Pero multiple.
Use spray.
It's not sa Instagram. What's
Dami na lang problem, no? We're looking at the we're investigating sa ano, MX only
Pwede
sa
ba?
X-axis only na bending. So therefore we can
what are the only?
have this as 0 because we're only gaya na problem is escaping the problem, but we just follow the sample. So in that case, our unraised length is 5,200. No? So initial rate. Say mga life support. No? So therefore, this is your unraised length. No? Unless lugar kung naa siya India, no? So mga additional support. No? So lessen na tayo ng iyang mga unraised length. Did not say laterally supported because obviously movement na siya along this way. So our unraised length in this case is 5,200, and then we're going to compare that with our LP and our LR. But before that, no, we have to check first if it's compact. Most section or white flag sections are compact, so let's just try. No? So for the flange,
Ano ko yun?
we have tawag nito, TF over
2 TF.
What's TF? Yeah,
Wala. Uy, TF.
it's BF. And then our TF.
Doy, wala to. So,
Sa loob ang electronics, di ba na may electronics? Di ba? 254 divided by 2 times 14 point equals
9.4, sir.
and then you compare that with the limit for your compact section. That is ilan ini?
0.38.
0.38 of
200,000
over
345. 9.15. 15. Yes, sir.
So, is that
Same lang.
for compact? Ako na
Ilang
test
yun?
atong isa. So, basically compact. For the web, we have
Wala na, uy, web
P
na to.
minus
Okay.
2 pieces divided by
Thickness of web.
W. We have what's the depth? This one? 254 minus 2 times
3 dash.
56.9. Kung ika, tanong nila. Tapos, 8.64 equals to pila.
23.
23 point.
17.
17.
And Paris na is
3.76.
3.76. Square root of 200,000 over
Ito yan?
5.
40? 40? 90 po rin. Okay man.
20.5. So,
Ito, pagkasunod. Butik yung
Okay,
kaya
let's go back so we can use our
Sorry ha.
what's our LP? LP is 1.26 something.
Baan na si R.
RY square? B over.
FY.
Okay. So what's RY? Over sila. Okay, so we have our 1.76 times 64.71 times the square root of 200,000 over 345.
Day, ang langay mo, uy.
Two seven
40.
274.14 millimeters. So your LP is greater than your LP, so possible
Zone 2.
What's NR?
Nak, marami.
1.95.
Result, may malapit, pero the value should be
Ang LP, ay ang LB kaysa LP. So,
Ano
zone.
result ano? So this is 14, approximate na din.
Yan eh, isa pang LP kaysa LP.
We might have a
14
different
pesos
value.
also.
14,787 mm. So, MN is equals to CB. We're going to compute our CB. What's our CB in this case? Pin Malaysia. And then 1.30 ba ito? Sa inyong given. Kung sa ko na siya.
Kaan pa si MG.
Diagram yan. Pin man nila. Ito lang ilinda na kaya nakita sa diagram nila. So the entire thing here is your LP, no? So narin siya ay load niya sa tunga. So CB is equals to 1.30. 1.3 lang. Okay. 1.3. Okay, so at CB equals 1.3. Yan yung 1.3 times mag-MP ba na? MP is
Disclaimer, gidiretso na ni Sir kaya wala na itay.
1.32 malagyan CB.
Wrong.
Wronging.
Is using 1.32. Let me just check that.
Okay, wala, sir.
Sure? Naka-distributed ang 1 point. So it's 1.30. 1.32 for C. 4% dito. Pero kato 1.3 is 1 na to siya. Ang unbraced length pag niya to is half of the entire length. 1.14 siya po unbraced entire. So please remind me later to upload or to give you the video. That okay. Yes. Yeah, ilarity ako na. Huwag pa man tadya. Huwag pa man sa capacity pa man tadya. Padulong ka tadya ako yung pagkakot na ako. Pwede na inyong nahon. Pero in this case, atong solusyon ang iuna natin. Okay? Pwede lang din yung typers na because we need that test to determine which interaction equations we're going to use. MP. So MP is equals to MP is equals to FYZ X. ZX is equals to
A over 2.
A over 2.
2.
Kailan man na siya? 9 to 90.
500.
Patana. Okay? Should be around. Ako na iso pa yan. Kabalo naman mo expert naman mo anak. So,
Charles. Hindi nila.
Kabalo lagi ka, sir.
our MN is approximately 416.
Sundan naman ang first. Grabe ko pa kasi. Tapos ayan.
416. Na ulit, sister.
97.
31.17.
This value is greater than your
Bishop
MP.
perfect as the number
MP is
1.
equals to MP is equal to
Wala ka makansig sa 1.
341.55. So this one is greater than
Okay, round to 71.
341.55. So
Perfect
use
figure.
341.55. So for your MN. Okay, so for our capacity, I mean, kung tayo na siya, MU is equal
MN na si 341.55 ha.
Wait tayo lang. 341.5. So, MC X equals to MU equals to kailan eh? 307.
7.4.
Where is that? Kailan eh? 300?
7.4.
Point? Point? 395?
Pwede?
So that's our MU. And then what's our ano siya na? What's our MR? Our MR, we have concentrated load money. We actually need the moment. So in that case, you will have
Ikaw na ba?
ako lang ipahinda. The same. We have 1.2 times 22 plus 1.6 of 53. So, ilan na siya? Ilan? 111.2. Okay, so reaction here is ilan? 55.6 cm. 55.6 cm. So shear diagram is ayan, ano? Tapos, ano naman? Wala? Ha? That's for your shear. And then for your moment, we have what's the moment here? Going up, no? Ano lang?
Yes, sir.
So, pila na? Point we're only focusing for the x-axis. Para lang sa inyo, formula kung naman. X-axis na na for now. We have, again, these are ultimate values na
X-axis rata for now.
890 divided by 0.9 of 1998.37 plus 8 over 9 of MRX. That's ultimate naman siya lang because we have 144.61 divided by the capacity which is 395, so bilang na siya. It should be what? Greater than 1? Point 913 less than 1, so therefore it's anim. Okay? So, doon may sa 1, sir. Pwede wala siya. Pwede kayo ng impact. Kung kaya ni mo na 1, mas economical yung section. The closer the value to 1, pinaka-economical na siya. So, okay naman na siya, sir. Okay na siya, no? Because we have amplified our loads. Amplified na itong loads plus naka-resistance factor pa yun ang atong moment, ang atong action load. So, this is basically economical na yan. But, as for practice, kung ako lugar, I usually limit lang yun sa point. Base hindi ay ang point 2 ako pag nag-allowance kasi hindi ako ina-appeal din sa nation. So at point 8 di ako talang sa design. Questions? Hindi na nagduga, no? So the rest of the equation is balik na sa discussion. Okay? This will be your plate for tomorrow because I'm not around tomorrow. Mag-plate ko sa inyong steel and yung cars.
Semi na ba sa Wednesday? Semi na sa Wednesday.
Magandang sa most likely.
Madayon na
Take home, yeah. Madayon ko. Wala na kayo oras kung final sweep na on Monday. So that's why ako nang gagawin yung test paper sa bilang surgeon para ma-record na namin. Si Ma'am Nor, nagsubmit na sa ako pag i-review. Si Ma'am, abilis. Kung wala natin sa quiz 3, after sa quiz 3 and tama din we actually still have one example for axial tension. Okay, so kasi ako alay pakita sa mga solution is para balik na bigyan. Nalang to siya yung mga connect siya na siya mga para sa bonus. The same example na mga to black shear, yielding. Okay, so that's your PC. The same example.
Wednesday,
RC.
the sign of shear is
Tinik. Sa state. Totoo kanina. Magpuyog naman sila nung kasi let's have a school break and then